Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for skincare products that deliver visible results, today's review could be just what you're looking for. We're talking about a product duo that's designed to work its magic from morning to night. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum paired with the 0.3% Pure Retinol Night Serum. A two-step anti-aging powerhouse aimed at tackling hydration, fine lines, and wrinkles. Let's break this down and dive into the specifics of what these serums bring to the table. Starting with the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. The name is a mouthful, but the results are simple: instant hydration and skin plumping effects. Formulated with 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, this serum promises to deeply hydrate and restore that dewy glow we all crave, whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin. It's also boosted with vitamin C, known for its brightening properties. You apply this one in the morning, just before you head out the door, and it's designed to visibly plump the skin, giving you a radiant, smooth texture that'll last all day. Then at night, you follow up with the Revitalift Night Serum, which features 0.3% pure retinol. This serum works overtime while you sleep, helping to visibly reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles, refine skin texture, and improve radiance. What I appreciate about this product is its dermatologist validation. It's not just another retinol serum. It's been crafted with an optimal concentration that balances effectiveness with skin safety. You'll also notice that both of these serums are fragrance-free, paraben-free, and free of mineral oils, making them suitable for sensitive skin, which is a huge plus. Now, I've had a chance to test both of these products over the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, the experience has been pretty interesting. The hyaluronic acid serum is smooth and lightweight, absorbing quickly without any sticky residue. I love how it leaves my skin feeling hydrated and dewy. No heavy feel, just pure hydration. As for the retinol serum, I was a little hesitant at first because retinol can sometimes be harsh, especially for sensitive skin, but this one felt surprisingly gentle. I didn't experience any irritation, which I attribute to the lower concentration of retinol. Plus, I've definitely noticed a difference in the texture of my skin. Smoother, with fine lines looking a little less pronounced. When it comes to ease of use, both serums fit seamlessly into my routine. The morning serum preps my skin perfectly for makeup, while the night serum works as a kind of rejuvenating treat before bed. No complicated steps. Just apply, wait a few moments for absorption, and go about your day or sleep like a skincare queen. So let's weigh the pros and cons here. On the plus side, both products are incredibly hydrating, and they've done a fantastic job of addressing texture issues, especially with the retinol serum. If you're looking for anti-aging benefits, this duo really does deliver. They're easy to incorporate into your daily routine, and the fact that they cater to all skin types is a huge win. I also appreciate that they are dermatologist tested and free from unnecessary additives. However, one downside I found is that because of the presence of retinol, some users with very sensitive skin may want to start slow. It's a great ingredient for anti-aging, but it can sometimes cause dryness or irritation if you're not accustomed to it. I'd also say that while the product delivers excellent hydration, some may prefer an even deeper moisturizing boost, especially if you're in a drier climate. Is this product worth the price? Absolutely. While there are cheaper serums out there, you're paying for a dermatologist-backed formula with clinically proven ingredients like hyaluronic acid and retinol. Both of these ingredients are high quality and do what they claim to do: hydrate, plump, and reduce wrinkles. So yes, it's a great value for what you're getting in terms of performance. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are other retinol and hyaluronic acid serums at various price points. But based on my testing, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift line strikes a perfect balance between affordability and effective results. For those on a tighter budget, there are budget-friendly options, but you may not get the same dermatologist validation or the same level of potency in the formula. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. Both serums come in glass bottles with a dropper, which makes it easy to apply the right amount. I do wish the bottles were a little more travel-friendly, but overall, the design is great for home use. As for longevity, Both products have a pretty long shelf life and remain effective as long as you store them in a cool, dry place. The brand's customer service is also worth noting. I didn't have any issues, but L'Oreal Paris has a solid reputation for handling customer queries quickly and efficiently, which is always a good sign if you ever need assistance. To wrap it up, I think this duo is great for anyone looking to add targeted anti-aging treatments to their skincare routine. It offers a 1-2 punch of hydration in the morning and wrinkle-reducing action at night, all without breaking the bank. If you're looking to tackle fine lines and plump your skin without spending a fortune on high-end brands, this could be the perfect solution for you. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum and 0.3% Pure Retinol Night Serum, drop a comment below. Let me know what your experience has been. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.